A woman in Bihar's Begasurai allegedly hatched a plant with her lover and two sisters, strangled her husband after he objected to making Instagram reels on viral songs, the police said. Police have arrested the woman and also detained her two sisters for questioning in connections with the case. 25-year-old Maheshwar Kumar Rai had married Rani Kumari almost 7 years ago. He used to work as a laborer in Kolkata and had recently returned home. His wife Rani Kumari was obsessed with making numerous videos on social media platforms which Maheshwar did not like and oppose, leading to frequent fights between the two. Maheshwar's father said that Rani Kumari also had an illicit affair with another man named Mohammad Sajjad. On Sunday around 9 p.m, Rani called Maheshwar to his in-laws' house where he was murdered by Rani with the help of her lover and two sisters, Roji and Sonali Kumari. Maheshwar's father said the crime came to light around 10:30 p.m. when Maheshwar's brother Rudal called from Kolkata and someone else answered the phone. Suspecting foul play, Rudal sent his father to Fabod village where he found Maheshwar dead. The police were then informed and they took the body with custody. Based on his complaint, police have registered a case against 5 people. Rani have been arrested while her two sisters are being questioned.